I got this thing back together. I thought it was going to be a pig of a motor, having over 70% less turns with thicker wire, but it's not. It when it was in the factory wound configuration, it used about half an amp to spin 3000 RPM, and that was it. That's maximum speed, and that's what it uses now with 70% less turns and thicker wire in it. This is the wire that I pulled out. It's going to be hard to see on the camera here, but if you can see that, this wire that I wound it with is 0.5 mil. This looks like it'd be 0.3 or 0.4. You can feel that it's definitely much thinner than this one. Anyway, I'll give it a run. This is it's terminated in star at the moment. Set on amps. So this is from the wall. And this is from the controller. Got myself in. From the controller to the motor. So that was as fast as it would go in the factory configuration. Now, taps out at, I think it's frequency related. That's from the wall. It's going into the motor from the controller. Got good torque, much better than what it was in the factory winding. So it's a surprise. Don't really know what to make of it. Every time I've rewound a motor with thicker wire and less turns on it, it always guzzles the amps. but this is using the same, if not a little bit less. I would have liked to have, now I think about it, maybe wound it with 140 turns of the same wire and just done the bifilar connection and see what it was. But as you can see there, it was a prick of a thing to wind up as it is. So I might have a go at this thing because it'll be really easy to wind. There's plenty of space there, and I'll be able to put the same amount of turns on and the same gauge wire. But I'm going to keep playing with this and see what it does. I spun it with a drill as well on here to generate, and it made 42.5 volts and 5 amps at 1100 RPM. So if you spun it at, whatever the generator was spinning it at, 3,000 or 4,000, maybe a bit more, it'd make, if you can handle the amps, it would make 1.7 kilowatt. So I'll have to try that too, because I was running it for about 10 minutes with the drill and it didn't get hot, the coils. So we'll see how it goes.